This is Tigard. Tigard is a multi-protocol, variable voltage, open-source hardware hacking tool. You might already have a box of single-purpose and multi-purpose protocol tools. Many are already based on FTDI chips. Tigard takes their most wonderful features and squeezes them into one tool. One wonderful thing about Tigard is that it has two independent interfaces. We include onboard 1.8, 3.3, and 5-volt supplies for level shifting. It supports I2C and SWD with no additional components. No software, no gateware needed, just flip a switch to change mode. It has well-placed LEDs to indicate what's happening. There are dedicated headers for standard pinouts for when you're lucky, and labeled individual wires for when you're not so lucky. It works with the software you already have, like Screen to talk to serial consoles, FlashROM for spy flash dumps, OpenOCD and GDB for on-chip debugging, and FTDI for custom scripted I/O. But the most wonderful thing about Tigard is that it comes in orange. We went through several iterations fine-tuning the headers, locations, pinouts, colors, and labels to make a dependable and easy-to-use tool. So, when it comes to hardware hacking, the wonderful thing about Tigard is that Tigard lets you do wonderful things. Ta-ta for now.